The Personal Tracker app is available for both Apple devices and Android devices. Here you can see on an iPhone running iOS how to search and download the app in Apple's App Store. Now, using an Android device, we search for and download the Personal Tracker app in the Google Play Store. When first launching the Personal Tracker app, you will be required to log in with your vAlert username and password. Your username is your North Star email. Please note, you will not be required to log in until after 30 days have passed. If you have forgotten your vAlert password, you can reset it here, or reach out to your operations manager for assistance. Finally, the menu at the top left is where all the functionality for the Personal Track app is located. In subsequent videos, we will be covering all of this functionality.